Here's how to make sense of the mean value theorem. So a lot of times you'll be given this technical definition, which has a bunch of different fancy math words in it, which is honestly kind of hard to understand. So let's break this down into simpler terms that make sense. All the mean value theorem says is that if you have a function f, which is continuous and differentiable, which really just means that the function doesn't break by either dividing by 0 or taking the square root of a negative number, and we look at 2 points on this function with x values of a and b and y values of f of a and f of b, that there must be some point in between with an x value of c, such that the slope of this function at c, which is the same thing as the derivative of the function at c, is equal to the average slope between the 2 points in a and b. This is also called the slope of the secant line. Now, if we remember our equation for the slope between 2 points, that's just y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which in this case is f of b minus f of a over b minus a. Now, where this gets really useful is a special case called Rolle's theorem, which is where my 2 points a and b have the same y value, or f of a is equal to f of b. Since the average slope between these 2 points is equal to 0, that means there must exist another point where x equals c, and the slope of the function there is also equal to 0. And if you remember, when the slope is equal to 0, this is also called a critical point. So that can be useful for proving that there must be some sort of min or max or critical point in between a and b. And there you have it. There's a simpler way to understand the mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem.
Nice!